of these and it's in your way and you never use it. Well, you're going to use it today, and if you don't have one of these, you're going to pull up a chair, and we are going to help you reform your knees, work your core. Are you ready?
Oh, yeah, ready.
All right, first we're going to just start like cat-cows in the chair or on the ball. So we're going to flex the spine and then roll. All right, flex. So we're flexing the spine and we're hollowing it out, or middle. All right, hollow that out. Now we're going to go around, and it's like we're drawing a circle on the ceiling with the top of our head and our entire spine. All right, you're going to go the other way. Woo, we're just getting some flexation in that spine, and now we're going to still it. And right now I want you to tuck the tailbone in, roll the shoulders back, okay? And we're just going to lift one leg, lift, and then the other, lift, lift. You're going to squeeze your core to lift that leg. If you're sitting in a chair, you want to be on the edge of your chair. I want to keep you on the edge of your chair. Yes. Excellent. All right, lean it back a little more. Now, you probably want to hold on to your balls. Did I say that? Hold on to your balls, ladies. All right, you're going to work on your balance so that you can be like me and my said balance and not have to hold on to your balls, because your balls aren't going anywhere. They're going to stay with you. Here we go. Now we're going to stop, right? You're going to keep one leg down and you're going to lift one leg straight out. You're going to really flex that foot. Flex it, flex it, flex it. This muscle right above your knee, you're going to imagine a string on it pulling you up to the ceiling. Are you ready for that? Lean back a little. Get your balance and lift, 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 lift. Keep that foot flexed. Lift, lift. We're building this muscle here that's going to keep that kneecap in place. Yes?
Yes.
Give me 8 more, 7 more, 6 more, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, last one, and
Woo-wee.
it looks like it ain't nothing, but it's something. Is it something? That was something. All right. We're going to do the other side. We're going to lean it back. Yes? Get that other side up and flex. This is my challenged knee. All right? Notice I called it challenged. Right? It hurts to lift it, but I'm going to do it anyway because this is what helps strengthen it. So I call it challenged because I don't think we should call any part of our body bad. You know, you hear people, you're a nurse, you hear people go, oh, that's my bum knee, that's my bad knee. Don't do that. Don't affirm that it's bad. Call it challenged. Because you can meet a challenge, yes?
That's right.
You can meet a challenge. We're meeting a challenge right now. This is painful for me, and I'm meeting that challenge. I'm pushing past the pain because I know I'm building that muscle. 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, last one. Oh.
Woo-wee.
Oh, that's some serious stuff. It doesn't look as much as it is, right? It's very misleading. All right, so now we're going to do knee and kick. Knee and kick. Knee and kick. Knee and kick. You cross your arms like I Dream of Jeannie, if you're old enough to know who that is.
Well, this is old school. So.
This is old school. We have old references because we be old and we're proud of it, man. I'm telling you. This works the core and the legs. Are you feeling it?
Oh, yeah.
All right. 2 more. 1 each side. Knee and kick. All right. So, it wasn't a lot, but I'm sweating. You sweating?
Yeah, yeah.
5 minutes a day, and you get that knee pain to go away. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. Now you know how to use your balls. Use your balls. Love you, old school. Late. Ooh, that should have made you sweat. If it didn't, hit play on the next video because you're going to just keep dancing till you sweat. Yes, thank you so much for being with us. You know we're sending you love at all times. Love yourself, love your body. Keep on dancing. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and like.